The Samsung Galaxy
S25 Ultra
is finally here. Samsung's most powerful phone yet. With a titanium frame, a 200-megapixel camera, and Snapdragon's latest chipset, this is the flagship everyone's talking about. Let's break down what makes it special and whether it's worth your money. The S25 Ultra looks stunning with its titanium frame and Gorilla Armor 2 glass. The 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display packs a sharp QHD+ resolution, a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness up to 2600 nits. One of the brightest screens you can buy. Inside, it's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and as much as 1 TB of storage. Samsung also expanded the vapor cooling chamber, so heavy gaming and multitasking stay smooth without overheating. The camera system is a major highlight. A massive 200-megapixel main lens, a new 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and 2 telephoto lenses, one at 3 times zoom, another at 5 times. Together, they capture stunning photos, detailed zooms, and improved low-light shots. On the front, there's a 12-megapixel selfie camera. A 5000 mAh battery keeps things running, with 45-watt fast charging and wireless charging support. It'll last a full day of heavy use, though charging speeds aren't as fast as some rivals. The S25 Ultra ships with Android 15 and One UI 7. You also get Samsung's Galaxy AI tools for editing photos, summarizing text, and even generating images directly on the device. Here are the pros: gorgeous display, excellent cameras, powerful performance, and a premium titanium build. And the cons: expensive price tag, 45-watt charging, feels slow compared to competition, and the big size is not ideal for one-hand use. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the best Android phones of 2025. If you want cutting-edge design, incredible cameras, and top-tier performance, this is the phone to beat. But the high price and large size mean it's not for everyone.